Hello. To create a dashboard based on existing user data, go to the My Environment service. Click on the Create button in the Dashboard menu and enter the name of the table. For example, HR data, then Confirm. As the dashboard is empty, you can use existing user data by clicking on the Add User Data button. Then simply select the user data you want to use. In our case, we will search for SIHR, check the line we are interested in, and confirm by clicking on the Select button. From then on, you can create different indicators in the dashboard with just a few clicks. For example, a breakdown of employees by position with a bar chart. Or another bar chart showing the proportion of hires per year by selecting ID employee and hire date. For more detailed data, it may be useful to display a grid with, for example, last and first name and also the position of all employees. If necessary, it is also possible to add calculated fields. To do this, simply click on the Calculated Fields button and apply a formula as you would in Excel. Here, we calculate the employee's seniority in years since their hire date using the DateDiff function, which is used with the hire date and the current date. This allows us to display the average number of years of seniority for the different positions in the company. Please note that it is necessary to change the summary type of calculation to be applied to the values so that an average is calculated rather than a sum. Once the various indicators have been created, you can save the dashboard to view or modify it later. Thank you for watching this video.